Yo. Okay. I'm making content in the garage again. Okay, but today is a little bit different of a day. I'm doing a little, what do you want to call this? This is like a vlog, I guess? Yeah, this is like a vlog. Anyhow, today's a very special day because I'm gonna attempt something that I've never done before. I'm gonna be building a BBQ shed. Because I bought a barbecue, and I don't know why I'm out of breath. I think I'm just kind of excited. Well, I don't think, I know I'm excited. And at the end of the day, I want you to know that you can do anything too. I got some plans, I'm gonna follow the steps, got some tools. Things are not that complicated. You can probably figure out a lot of things on your own by just trying. And if you fail, try again, and then try again, and then try again. Words of wisdom from me, Dees, to you. Okay, so let's get started on this lovely project. I'll do my best to document what I can, but at the end of the day, you'll see the finished product and you'll see where this is all going, okay? See you soon.